We've all been told that making money requires grinding for hours, but let's be honest, who actually wants to work harder than they need to? The truth is, there are efficient ways to make money online. And no, I'm not talking about scams or get-rich-quick schemes. I'm talking about smart, low-effort income streams that actually work. The key isn't working harder, it's finding that sweet spot where your natural strengths, interests, and market demand overlap. Once you do, what feels like hard work to others will feel effortless to you. So in this video, I'm going to break down 6 of the most effective ways to make money online and how you can get started today. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing. Businesses and entrepreneurs need quality content for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a great way to earn online. Is this right for you? If you enjoy writing, research, and storytelling, this is a great opportunity. Writers can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per project, depending on experience and niche. How to get started. 1. Learn the basics. Study grammar, tone, and style to improve your writing. Build a portfolio. Write blog posts, articles, or guest posts for free to showcase your work. Find clients. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or reach out directly to businesses. Choose a niche. Specializing in a particular topic can help you stand out and charge higher rates. As you gain experience, you can move on to higher paying clients and long-term contracts. Side hustle number 2. Video editing. Video content is booming and skilled editors are in demand. Whether it's YouTube, social media, or business presentations, companies and creators need help making their content look professional. Is this right for you? If you enjoy storytelling, visuals, and working behind the scenes, video editing could be a great side hustle. How to get started. Learn the basics. Free tutorials on YouTube or courses on Skillshare can help you develop your skills. Find clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to start. Specialize. Focus on a specific type of video, e.g., YouTube content, business promos, to attract more clients. This approach worked for me. I found my video editor because he proactively edited my content and showed me what he could do. Side hustle number 3, print on demand. Print on demand lets you design and sell custom products, e.g., t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, without managing inventory. When someone makes a purchase, the print on demand company handles everything, from printing to shipping. You just create the designs. How to succeed. The competition is tough, so a strong marketing strategy is essential. Promote your store through social media and SEO to increase visibility. Getting started. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests. Pick a design template and customize it. Connect to an e-commerce platform like Shopify and start selling. Side hustle number 4, content creation. If you're passionate about a topic, content creation is one of the most flexible and scalable ways to make money online. You can monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, online courses, digital products. Getting started. 1. Pick a platform. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogging, and commit to consistency. Create content that provides value and engages your audience. Build a loyal following, and monetization opportunities will follow. Side hustle number 5, virtual assistant. As remote work grows, businesses are looking for cost-effective ways to streamline operations. Virtual assistants help with managing emails, scheduling appointments, customer support. How to get started. Instead of using competitive platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, consider joining a virtual assistant agency. These agencies provide training, support, and direct client connections. Side hustle number 6, passive income through investments. Investing can be a great way to generate passive income over time. There are 2 main methods. Dividend-paying stocks. Buy shares in a company and receive a portion of the profits as dividends. Dividend-paying funds. These bundle multiple companies, reducing risk and providing more stable returns. For example, investing $1,000 in the S&P 500 index fund currently generates about $12, $60 per year in passive income. While that might not seem like much, the real power comes from compounding. Reinvesting dividends buys more shares, which then generate even more dividends. Capital appreciation. Historically, the S&P 500 grows by 8 to 10% per year, meaning your investments increase in value over time. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect side hustle to fit your lifestyle and goals. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next video.